That's the property. And I told you about that. How many I told you more. Okay?
This is the 23rd when, July, when Sammy and the rest of the crew over there, Muhammad and everybody, they came and they had the police break into the property and leave everything open.
Yeah, Miss Muhammad. I told you I need the key if people gonna come see the house. I want the key to go inside the house. So give me a call, by the way.
This is the tape. Oh God. This is the calls that I got while the police were there.
Brian, I need monster number. I need to contact her as soon as possible because everything's gonna go on her name. See, when I lease the property, I lease it for her first. I did the credit check on her, my record show here. I showed check run of credit. That's all. Sure, and in. So everything's gonna go under her name. You know what I'm saying? And we're trying to get her at her job. Casa Grande, Street Pasadena. Address of business. But the authority cannot find her over there. So I need to speak with her because they're looking for her. Alright? So call me as soon as possible. I want you to take care of this matter. Alright? Bye.
This is the 23rd. That's exactly what
I know you moved your car. Okay, Sammy. Yes, good morning. Yes, good morning. The problem you never pick up. Okay, Sammy. We tracked your wife's address down on her studios. The marshal's looking to serve her the paper. I could stop all that right now. Today, you turn the keys voluntarily and get out with your cars and everything out. Otherwise, it's going to go on our record for 9 years, including your name, and it's going to be messy for you guys, not for me, for you. Other than the civil lawsuits we're going to take on you. So you can call me if you like. You know, if you don't call me, I don't hear from you today. I'm going to go ahead and pay the fee for her to be served. Phyllis Morris, she's the lease holder. Everything under her name, technically. You add it in. That's all of it is. Okay? I know you moved your car inside, and I'm still waiting on things from the city, and I can stop all the process. You turn the keys and move everything out, belong to you. Okay? I'll wait from you answer today. I don't hear answers. Don't call me no more. Don't bother.
July 29th, 1:30.
Me does not give me the answer. I'm evicting you, evicting Phyllis to be proper about unpaid rent for the month of July. For 3 days notice for unpaid rent. You understand? So act legally so you will know what it is. show non-paid rent to evict you. I'm trying to see if you want to turn the keys, and I know you did with the property, and you want to do it voluntarily. That's what my question. Call me or email me. Give me time. I go over there with the authorities present. Turn the keys to me, and you see your stuff is out, including your car. That's all I want. If you don't want to do that, keep it through the court. Eviction. That's what I'm saying.